In this video we are going to explain how to run CashGA application. You need these folders, data, where are stored all the XLS files with the data of every company, images, temp, and these two files. To run the application you must do a double click on run.cmd. Application load, you will see the main screen. Here it is. Now you need to select the folder where are stored all the files. We click on change and select data folder. Now we can see a dialog where we can see all the companies that are stored in this folder. We will select some companies, for example Abertis, Endesa, Repsol, and Telefonica. The column number of data, it's the maximum number of data that we can use for every file. In this case we can see that we have the same number for all the files. This is because we are using a standard file that contains every file the name number of data. For example, we are going to change and set 200 for Abertis, 300 for Endesa, 400 for Repsol, and 100 for Telefonica. The number of data is the number of population that will use the genetic algorithm. So if you introduce a very higher number, the algorithm will take more time. We press OK, and it asks if we want to load the data now. We press yes, and now it's loading all the data. It will take a few seconds. Now we will change the number of iterations for this example. To do the example faster, we will, for example, 10 iterations or 20 iterations. Now we can see that in this combo we have all the companies that we load. If we press on one of them, for example Repsol, we can see all the data that the file loads. If we press on companies, we can see again the companies that we select and the number of data that we change. We press now. For example, if we want to see a graphic about the company, we press on graphic, and this is the graphic viewer dialog. If we select the graphic, for example the Repsol IPF actions, this is the graph. We can see the value and the date. We can see how it's the graphic, and the same for FDR. Now we are going to execute the genetic algorithm, so we must press on execute. It will take a few seconds in this case because we are using not so much data and a very short number of iterations. Now if we go to GR result tab, we can see all the factories, all the companies, and if we select one of them, we can see the results that genetic algorithm return. If we select another one, data will be changed, and that's all.